Good evening. From October 5th, 2020, we are going to launch a new batch for Group 1 examination to be announced by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. And this coaching will be offered in both English medium as well as Telugu medium. And for this, there will be two separate batches. Now, if you look at the syllabus and the examination pattern of this APPSC Group 1, this is divided into three stages. At the first stage, you have preliminary examination, which consists of two papers. And these two papers are in objective type. Once you clear this one, you will be eligible to write the main examination, where you have 5 papers plus 2 papers which are qualifying in nature. And these two qualifying papers are English and Telugu. After this, you will have a personality test, that is interview, which is going to be conducted by APPSC. And whatever the batch we are going to start from October 5th, that will include every aspect, starting from preliminary examination, covering complete main examination, and will also cover the interview aspect. And I suggest all the serious candidates to take this opportunity and join the course immediately. Why immediately? This is because once you start the coaching on October 5th, it will take minimum 6 months. Minimum will be 6 months and maximum will be 7 months for completing whole course with respect to prelims and main examination. Let me also tell you one thing. Initially, we'll be covering the preliminary part. Once we cover the preliminary part thoroughly, you will have a strong ground for the basics of the concepts, and that will be really helpful to you to understand and write the main examination in a systematic and orderly manner. That is the reason why the batch that we are going to start from October 5th, initially it will be preliminary examination. Once the preliminary part is over, both papers, that part is over, immediately after that we are going to start the writing practice, meaning the main examination. And listen to me very carefully. When we start this particular one, batch on October 5th, this is going to be completed in a time bound manner, meaning starting from October 5th, maximum it will be 7 months. Maximum it will be 7 months, and by this time we will be completing the whole preliminary effectively and systematically, and will be completing even the mains part. All the 5 papers will be completing very effectively, and the English and Telugu, these 2 papers that will be doing at the end. These 2 are qualifying in nature. These 2 papers will be doing at the end, but before that one, so we'll be finishing up this paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This also includes general essay. So this is our program, and I would like to show you the procedure how you can enroll yourself and join our classes from October 5th onwards. Look at this. Let me open the site. Please look at this. This is our site. Open our site first, onlineias.com, and you can also open through kalyanias.com. In the menu bar, you can see APPSC here, and please come down, click on APPSC Group 1 2021, and please listen. Some students have already enrolled for this batch. Those people need not join again. Am I clear? Now, you please click on this APPSC Group 1 2021. You will be taken to the next page where you can see various details. The students who are opting for English medium, you can enroll from here. Students from Telugu medium, you can pay from here, right? And you can pay through scan and pay. All the procedures are available here. Just open our site, go to APPSC, click on APPSC Group 1 2021, then you can see all the details. And if you look at this fee structure, the actual fees is 44,000 rupees. 44,000 you can see here. but in the beginning we are offering at 25,000 rupees only. Admissions are open now, and this 25,000 rupees fee for prelims and mains plus interview guidance, including material, including practice test, everything is including. The cost is 25,000 rupees. It includes GST also. 18% GST is also included here. And because of any reason, if you miss this date, you can avail this opportunity of 29,000 rupees, which is available till 4th October. Right? And this is the last opportunity. From October 5th onwards, if anybody wants to join, you are most welcome, but you need to pay the full fee of 33,000 rupees. But even here, we are getting lots of concession, because actual fee is 44. You will be getting at 25,000 rupees, 29,000 rupees, and 33,000 rupees. Okay, so this is one, and you please look at the syllabus. Syllabus is given here: preliminary syllabus PDF, mains syllabus PDF. You may have a very clear look at that. If you click on preliminary syllabus, you can open the page, and you can go through this page where you can see the syllabus for preliminary general studies, paper 1, history and culture, constitution, polity, economy and planning, India and Andhra Pradesh, followed by geography. This is paper 1. In paper 2, you have general mental and psychological abilities. And after this, you have science and technology. And you also have current affairs in this particular paper. Right? So, in preliminary examination, you got 2 papers. Similarly, open for group 1 main examination, you can see the complete syllabus here. This is the syllabus that is given by APPSC last time. If there is any change at anywhere in the syllabus, that new syllabus will also be covered. But I don't think there will be any change in the syllabus, because only one examination has been conducted so far with the syllabus. But in case there is a change, that will also be covered completely. You can download this and you can have a look at this very clearly. Look at all the papers: general essay, paper 1, 2, 3, 4, all the papers including 5, right? You please have a look at this. And next one, look at this. This is our dedicated team of faculty members for both English medium and Telugu medium. This is the team. That is, if you look at Indian history and AP history, this is going to be handled by Mr. Prajwal, the best faculty member as far as history is concerned, including AP history. One of the wonderful faculty members who dedicates himself, and he will show you the entire history. And I know that a larger number of you are there with me in group 2 batch and also in the civil services batch. You all have experienced his teaching abilities. History means Mr. Prajwal means Mr. History. So this is, how the person will be teaching this. Similarly, for geography, you have another fantastic and fabulous faculty member by name Mr. Jagadish. And he will be handling the complete geography part, including Andhra Pradesh geography. Similarly, ethics, which is considered to be an important part in the main examination, that's going to be handled by Mr. Narayana. Another highly efficient, highly professional, dedicated and committed faculty member, Mr. Narayana. So we have a fantastic team: Mr. Prajwal, Mr. Jagdish, followed by Mr. Narayana. And with respect to last point, general mental and psychological abilities, which is part of prelims, this is going to be handled by a group of faculty members, right? and with respect to other areas like polity, economy, science and technology, current affairs, that's going to be handled by me. So you have a dedicated team for you, and please make use of these services of these great faculty members. Wonderful team, the best team I can say, and we can deliver in a highly qualitative and fantastic manner. Next, look at this. I want you to take a pic of this. Please take a pic of this. You can see my name, you can see my mobile number, WhatsApp number, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, all numbers are same. You can also look at my mail ID. Please take a pic of this, and the fee details are also given here. September 28th, last date for 25,000 rupees, meaning on September 28th up to 11:30 in the night you can pay this amount. If you are missing that, before October 4th, meaning on October 4th by 11:30, you can pay up to 29,000 rupees. If anybody wants to join from October 5th or after October 5th, you may be paying 33,000 rupees. This includes GST. That fee includes preliminary, mains and also interview guidance, including PDF material which you can download, including test series which is a non-downloadable. I repeat, material you can download, but a test series you cannot download. You have to answer only in the site, especially for the prelims. For main examination, I will give you the papers. You can download the papers, you can write the answers, and you can send it to us. Alright? So this is how the whole program is going to happen. Once payment is done, you can send your details like a payment receipt screenshot, your name, your WhatsApp number, because we are going to create a WhatsApp group where the communication is maintained very regularly. And we also need your mail ID and state. State is, Andhra Pradesh. Mention the course like group 1, and also mention your medium so that you will be allocated a seat in that particular medium. This is how, our whole process is going to be done. And once again, I suggest you, this is a great opportunity. I suggest to all the serious candidates who are interested to become Group 1 officers under Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, you please make use of this opportunity. Start your preparation from October 5th and join the winners list. And I'll stop at this stage. I wish you all a very good luck, and I'll see you on October 5th. Thank you so much. Take very good care.